If you're about to do your tax returns and you know you stand a chance of getting some money refunded to you, I know you'll be running to do that tax returns, right? Hello, my people. How are you doing? Barnabas here. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. And if you're watching for the first time, this is your #1 channel that brings you great entertainment, information, and inspiration from down here in Melbourne, Australia. Now, it's just over 1 month to the end of financial year, and many people are excited and are looking forward to doing their tax returns. Now, you must be asking yourself, why should someone be excited about tax returns? While in other nations of the world, people are running away from this exercise. I will tell you why in a short while. Seven quick reasons why people look forward to doing tax return. Number one, you can do it on your phone. You don't have to visit any office. You can do it by yourself. It's very easy. It can take even up to 5-10 minutes and you're done. Number two, you don't need to fill any paperwork. You don't have to do any paperwork. Everything is online. So you just do it, if you can connect to internet, then you're able to do your tax returns. Number three, if you can't do it by yourself, you can get help from tax accountants, and you actually don't even need to visit their offices. You can book appointment over the phone and just do it, from the comfort of your home. Number four is that all the information that you need to do this exercise will be ready by the time you're doing your returns. All the taxable income from your employers will be online, will be sent to you. You should be ready with your business income and everything, so that when you're doing this return, it's a very quick exercise. Number five, and I think this is one of the biggest motivator, is you stand a chance of getting a tax refund from the government. I tell you, my first experience with tax returns is that I got a tax refund. If the tax office established that you've paid a little more than what you were supposed to pay because of your family situation, they can actually give you back some of the money. One of the culture shock that I had when I came to Australia was this one. The first tax return that I did, I got some money back. And that was a big shock, that the government can actually give you money that you've paid. Now, that had never happened in my life. And the last thing that encourages many to do the tax return is actually at the end of it, you get a report of what your tax has done in contribution to the budget of the economy. You actually get a breakdown of what your tax has contributed to the big budget of the nation. The budget for education, infrastructure, security, education. So you are excited knowing that your sweat has actually contributed something to building of the economy. So it's a great thing. It's unfortunate that in some parts of the world, this exercise is not popular. It's not popular because of the following reasons. Number one, it's a tedious exercise. You have to physically fill in the paperwork and submit them to the tax office. Sometimes you have to queue there for hours just to be able to hand in that paper. And even after doing that, you stand no chance of getting any tax refund. The government never refunds anyone anything, and so there's no motivation. And even at the end of it all, you do not get any report of what your taxes have done towards the economy. You do not get any breakdown of what your contribution towards the economy is. So that explains why so many people are dodgy in even declaring their taxable income. Others, including senior people in the government, do not do tax returns. Others have not done them for years. So there's no motivation. There's really no motivation. If the taxpayers would have a little bit of confidence in the tax collection and the budgetary system of the government, I tell you and I promise you, they will do their tax returns promptly. If they would get, for example, reports of what the taxes have done towards the economy, and they can actually see what the taxes are doing, they will have no problem of doing their tax returns. My question to you tonight is, are you looking forward to doing your tax returns? Do you stand any chance of having any tax refunds this coming end of financial year? And are you going to get any reports showing what your government has done with the tax that you've already paid? Do you trust your tax administration in your country? Do you trust the tax regime in your country? Please, let's discuss. Share your comments in the comment section below, and let's discuss. Let's know how your country is faring in matters to do with tax. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, this is Barnabas, the son of encouragement. Bye-bye and see you in the next video.